Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to build my own Canvas app using Claude Sonnet 3.7. This is an option that is actually on Poe, and I actually subscribe to Poe. So if you're interested in looking at how I build an app that's going to focus on conceptual understanding, then please keep on watching. So I wanted to get some ideas on something useful that I could build in terms of an app. So I got some ideas. I said if I was to create a Canvas app from Poe, what would be a good topic that focuses on conceptual understanding, inquiry-based learning, or AI-powered pedagogy based on my consulting. And I had a conversation before about giving my website and a lot of my educational philosophies. So here it's given me some suggestions for a Canvas app focused on JCW consulting. I'd recommend Concept Bridges. I like that, an interactive tool that helps educators visualize and design the intersection between conceptual understanding and inquiry and AI-enhanced inquiry learning. The app could feature a concept map space where teachers could build connections between curriculum, concepts, and inquiry questions, AI-powered suggestion tools that help generate thought-provoking questions aligned with learning objectives, templates for scaffolding inquiry-based learning with technology points, and a reflection component that uses Lego serious play principles to promote deeper thinking about learning design. So I think I'm going to take these first three because I think at the moment I'm not going to be incorporating the Lego serious play into this app. And then now if I just move myself over, I have the option to create here, and I can create a Canvas app. So I'm going to generate it with a bot. So I'm going to chat with an expert bot to create the web app, and I don't need to be able to code. So here the app creator is specializing in building interactive web applications designed for publishing as apps on Poe, available at a reduced early access price for a limited time. So I think this was just released last week at the time of this recording. And it says, describe your idea and key features, and I'll help you build it. You can follow up to request any changes. Click publish to finish creating your app. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste those ideas. So here, a Canvas app focused on, let's just say, focused on concept bridges. Let me just edit this prompt here. An interactive tool that helps educators visualize and design, and then I've got those three things. Okay, so let's just press enter, and then I'm just going to move myself over here. So let me create a Canvas app that helps educators visualize and design connections between conceptual understanding and AI-enhanced inquiry learning. I'll need to build a comprehensive tool with features requested. They're the three things, and then let me just scroll down. This will need to be a responsive, user-friendly web application. I'll use Tailwind CSS for styling to create a clean, modern interface. Great, that's what I actually would have chosen. It's like it's reading my mind. And here's my plan. So here's the UI structure. Okay, features. Let me see if that's going to be okay. I'm just checking this. Okay, a template library, great. Technologies. Okay, color scheme as specified, sure. I mean, I could actually put in my hex colors for my brand, but let me just have a look at what they've come up with. So now it's creating an interactive tool. This is called Concept Bridges App, Educational Concept Mapping Tool. And it's building using the HTML code here. And this is live, real time. So I'm excited to see what it comes up with. And I will put a link to this app in the comment section below so that you can have a play around with it too. And I wonder if this is going to take quite a few minutes. So I'll hit pause and I'll be back. So, okay, the key features of the Concept Bridges app: interactive concept mapping space. You drag and drop the interface to create and connect curriculum concepts and inquiry questions. Visual differentiation between concepts and questions, ability to edit nodes by double clicking, and connection creation between related elements. the AI-powered question generator. So uses Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which was just released not too long ago, to generate thought-provoking inquiry questions. Wonderful. Customizable by subject area, grade level, concepts and learning objectives. I love this. So I'm going to test it out in a moment. And the ability to select and import generated questions directly into the concept map. So the 6 lesson templates: inquiry-based, problem-based design thinking, project-based, flipped learning, and AI-enhanced learning. Wow. So, okay, so let me just move myself down here. I've got concept map here, the AI question generator, lesson templates, and help guide. Okay, so let's just go to the AI question guide. I'm going to start with English language arts, ages 5 to 8. Okay, key concepts I'm just going to dictate. Stories, comma, beginnings, comma, ends, comma, middles. Okay, that's like middle of a story. Learning objectives to understand the different elements of a story. And let's generate the questions. What are the questions that it's going to come up with? So I need to use more points. I'm going to continue. And here are the lovely questions that's generated. How do we know when a story is starting? What clues tell us that a story is ending? What do stories need, a beginning, middle, and end? These are really great inquiry questions. Okay, let me try another subject area. I'm going to try mathematics. And let's go up to high school. And let's go up to quadratics, comma, parabolas, comma, quadratic formula. And then I'm going to say the learning objectives: to understand the geometrical significance when solving quadratic equations. Okay, so let's generate those questions there. I'm pretty happy with this Concept Bridges app so far. Wonderful. How does the discriminant of a quadratic equation reveal information about the geometry of its parabola? Okay. Why does every parabola have exactly one axis of symmetry? Great. These are good questions. In what real world situations might finding the vertex of a parabola be more useful than finding its roots? These are great questions. Okay, let's look at the lesson templates. Wow. So I've got lesson templates here. Let's just view them. So this is a framework for guiding student-driven investigations. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. So here I've got question formulation. If I just scroll over a little bit, it's got the formatting's not great, but have students generate their own questions about a stimulus. Okay, so it's just telling me what question formulation is and the different types. Okay, so that's the template. Okay, that was just me playing around with the AI question generator, looking at the lesson templates, which it looks like I have to improve. Next time, I'm going to look at the concept map and see how effective that is. So watch out for part 2 of this video. I haven't hit the publish button yet. I'm still playing around, and I'll publish once I'm happy with the actual app. But thank you so much for joining me again this week, and I hope to see you next time.